Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Unbox-d True Wireless Earphones. So there's an image of the earphones right over here. These are in-ear earphones, as you can see. They look very compact and the box is also pretty compact. Over here we have some features. It says the variant is pearl white. This comes with HyperSync. It supports Bluetooth 5.1. It has IPX5 waterproof rating and also comes with 18 hours of playtime. That's all the information here. I will okay, no, that's all the information here. I'll open this and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. Let's quickly take a look here. There's some documents. These are some stickers. This is a thank you note and warranty registration from Noise. So this is a quick start guide from Noise for this particular device. And this is the user manual for the Unbox-d truly wireless earphones. It tells you how to operate, how to register warranty, safety precautions, etc. Everything that you want to know, it's given right over here. Now let's take a look at these components. Let's take them out. Let's see, over here we will probably have a charging cable. Yes, there you go. This is a USB Type-C charging cable. I don't know if you can see this. It's a USB Type-C charging cable, and this is the Unbox-d truly wireless earphones. This is what it looks like. This is the charging case. This is the pearl white variant. It's very compact. This is probably smaller than an egg, and yeah, these are the LED indicators over here, and you will notice a USB-C type charging port right over here. Let's open this, and there you go. These are your earbuds, the true wireless earbuds that comes with this particular box, this particular charging case. These are the Unbox-d true wireless earbuds. This comes with this angular nozzle that you can see, and also notice that these are your in-ear design earphones as well. I will try and pair them to my smartphone. Let's see if it works. Okay, also notice that these come with magnetic charging pins over here as well. So these earphones, they just snap in like so. Let me do that again. There you go, they just snap in. Before I show you how to pair them, I missed one particular component. It was really stuck on one side of the smaller box over here. And let me just show them to you. So what we have basically are extra silicone tips for these earphones. Let me see what they are. There you go. There are two extra pairs of silicone tips. These are your large variants. There you go. And the smaller variants right over here. Yeah. And the medium ones are already attached to the earphones over here. Okay. Once again, I'll attempt to pair this particular device. Let's see if that works. So here I am at the Bluetooth settings page. Let's go to the Bluetooth settings page. My Bluetooth is already turned on. I'll now start looking for a new device. Yeah, and I'm getting a noise beads option over here. I'm going to click on that. Then next I'm going to click on pair. It says paired. It has 60% of charge. I will now try and play some music and see if this works. So yeah, they're working just fine. And there you are. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Unbox-d truly wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.